I just wanted to make a quick intro for the video. I started recording an intro on my camera, but my camera stopped working. So I decided to just do that whole vlog on my phone, and I think that's what I'm gonna do from now on, because editing and being able to carry it around everywhere is easier, and so I can be more consistent with the content. So really in today's vlog, I'm just hanging around the house, cooking dinner, and then I kind of show myself a little bit the next morning before work. A little boring, but hey, that's life. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lily. Thank you for all of my new subscribers. I'm 26 years old. I am married. I have a dog. We just bought a house. I'm in my dream career right now. Things get a little crazy sometimes, but this is life, and I hope you choose to come along with us. Well, that was really rude. My camera memory card was full, and I started looking at videos, and I have videos from like 2019 on there, and it is 2023 at this point, so my vlogging game has been horrible. So I'm gonna try to do this from my phone. Don't know how to edit from my phone, but we'll figure it out. I got this new Stanley cup. It's like my emotional support animal. You know how people say that sometimes their emotional support cup? That's absolutely what is going on. So I don't know what I'm doing with these angles. Which way looks better? This way? This way? I don't know. I'm going to put some leggings on and head downstairs, maybe make a nice coffee before my mom gets here. Good morning, Rambo. Come on. As soon as I open my bedroom door, here's my trusty steed. Hi. Good morning. All right. He doesn't want to. So, almost throws me down the stairs every single morning. That's all right, though. My mom's here. I don't know if she's gonna want to vlog. That'll actually be really funny if she does. But I'm gonna set you guys up. Probably. Hey, hey. I'm gonna make some coffee. So it's been a couple hours. Oh my god, I look crazy. I went for a nice walk with my mom. Here's Rambo outside crying. I'm about to let him back inside. And we had lunch. We made, yesterday we got a rotisserie chicken. So I just made some chicken salad, made some sandwiches with the air fryer. Look at this dog. Rambo. Anyway, apparently he doesn't want to come inside. So I'm just cleaning up the kitchen now, and I'm probably gonna sit down and watch some TV. Like I said, today I'm really just trying to prepare for work tomorrow. Oh my god, this is absurd. So let me do that. Put you guys here. Stop! While I finish putting away the dishes. I'm definitely someone that cooks a lot, so that means we're doing dishes a lot and resetting the kitchen a lot, but it is what it is. I'm grateful for the house. Let's try this again. Back inside. Not playing with you. Okay, listen. We're going inside. Y'all, something wrong with this dog. I'm not playing with him today. No. Nope. So now, guys enjoyed that, me cleaning up my kitchen montage. Literally do it 100 times a day, it feels like. But I like to have everything, this glare, sorry, in order and everything as clean as possible, or I get very stressed out. So whenever I'm done cooking, this is the cleaning spray that I use in the kitchen. The Myers, I changed the scents, but right now I'm using the lavender scent. And I'll just spray down the kitchen counters. Everything will smell really good and be fresh for my next round of cleaning. Which tonight I'm gonna be making turkey meatballs. I haven't made it very far. I'm on my couch in my basement. My mom just left. Tyler is at the gym. He should be home like, I don't know, within 40 minutes. And I might just take a nap. I've been sitting here trying to learn how to edit on my phone, and it is really no joke. And that's, I feel like, why I don't vlog as much as I really, really want to, is because of the editing. And I don't know. I'm trying to learn how to do it on my phone, because I feel like if I record on my phone and edit and upload, I'll be able to like put out a lot more like vlogs and content and just be able to spend more time with you guys. But it's really difficult, and I don't want to put out like crappy videos, but really it just ends up kind of being like one take situation. So if you guys are okay with that, I'm super okay with that, because it's a lot easier for me. But let me know. I just wanted to come on here really quick and finish up dinner. I did start dinner. We already have some turkey meatballs in the oven. Ooh, oh, very hot. They're actually teriyaki turkey meatballs, and I kind of used like my own recipe because we had this teriyaki sauce from Target, I believe, that I wanted to use. So I'm gonna finish up those turkey meatballs, and then I have my Trader Joe's vegetable rice, and I'll probably just like steam some green beans or something, and we'll have that for dinner. And if I remember, I will show you when it's done. I did want to add that when I'm doing the Trader Joe's fried rice, this is what it looks like in the pan. Just like this. I usually like to add a couple of things just to like, I don't know, spice it up a little bit. So I add some salt. Not a lot, because I do add spices. Some pepper. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. That would be nice. Let's see. Better. And then I am going to add some soy sauce, low sodium. I also have liquid aminos, but I'm just going to add soy sauce for today. And then this toasted sesame oil is amazing. So, just gonna put some in here. Add some of the toasted sesame oil. Cover it. And then a couple minutes, I'll just stir it around. It's time to eat dinner, and guess who's home?
Oh.
Ty.
Hi.
So we just finished. Well, I finished cooking. Tyler actually did assist this time because he squished up the turkey meat for me. And this is his plate. The fried rice, the turkey meatballs, green beans. I have the same thing. Why is this so close? Jeez, there we go, that's better. All right, you're gonna do a taste test. Hold on, my camera's dirty.
That I squished in my hands?
Yes. Go ahead. What are you tasting?
Turkey.
Okay. Do you taste the teriyaki?
A little bit. No.
Is it juicy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, try the fried rice.
It's not dry. Oh, Chinese food.
All right, green bean.
I buttered these too.
Tyler buttered the green beans.
I don't like green beans so much.
quickly watch TV and get ready for bed. Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. I'm rushing. Of course. It's 7:10. I usually leave my house by 7:15. I don't know if I told this video, probably not, but I'm a BCBI, Board Certified Behavior Analyst, and I consult to a public school district, the elementary schools. So my days are pretty busy. Today I'm only going to one school, which is nice, but I need to get there. I usually work like 7:30 to 3:30. And I'm just trying to get back in the routine of things because I've been off for winter break and those first days back are brutal, honestly, but I just made my iced coffee. My bagel is in the toaster. I'm gonna just grab it and hop in the car.